How can you use an outboard motor like this one on an inflatable boat? By using a motor mount kit like this one that's made for inflatable boats. Today I'll be unboxing, installing, and reviewing this motor mount kit from Intex for inflatable boats. And when we're finished, we'll take this thing to the lake with my Honda 2.3 horsepower outboard motor and we'll do some performance testing. I bought this motor mount kit on Amazon for about 25 bucks. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. This thing comes with some instructions, 2 upper control arms, these are made out of aluminum, 2 lower control arms made out of composite material, 4 U-bolts, some mounting hardware, and the transom board itself, which is made out of composite material as well. I'm going to start putting this thing together so that I can get it on the boat. These aluminum control arms are just going to go into that lower bracket. And it goes together with this mounting hardware. And I'm going to do the same for the other side. That's got both of our control arms assembled. Now I'm going to mount the transom. These control arms have slots for adjustability, so I'll leave everything pretty loose until I get it on the boat. Alright, I've got the upper and lower control arms mounted to the transom board. Let's go ahead and put it on the boat. These boats have 4 mounting points for attaching these motor mounts. 2 down here and 2 up here. I've got this boat about 25% deflated so that I can install this mount. With the motor mount attached to the boat, let me fully inflate the boat. If you're looking for a 12-volt pump that works really good, this one is the ticket. It's inexpensive and it's available on Amazon. I'll leave an affiliate link in the description below. Before we take this thing to the lake and put it in the water, let's take a close-up look at the motor and the mount. All right, we're at the lake. Let's put the motor on the new mount. All right, it looks good. I like the height. The height's good. Let's get this thing tightened up. And we'll get this thing out on the lake and try it out. Some of the pros of this motor mount is that it's lightweight and the installation was super easy. And the price of this was very affordable. What I don't like about it so far is that you have to deflate the boat in order to put it on. I don't think you could put this on in the water. The other thing I don't like about it is that if you needed to adjust it, you would also not be able to be in the water. I'm making several videos about this boat, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any. Like the video I made for this 2-piece carpeted floor system. I'll put a link to that video right here. I'm glad you watched, and I hope you'll watch again. Seriously?